Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to lock home screen layout on Android. So let's get right into the video. Suppose I am on my home screen right now. So all I want to do is just lock it out, and so what I have to do is keep tapped on my home screen and this type of feature will come out, and then click on settings, and here you can see an option lock home screen layout. Just turn it on and your home screen layout is currently locked. This is how you can do it. So it's pretty easy. And yeah, if you go back, you can't now change any of them from here. Suppose I want to change it, and here you can see home screen layout is locked. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.